Lead generation advice even the pros can use. Lead generation is a topic that baffles people all over the world. Are you one of these confused and lost professionals? This video provides you with a roadmap of all the tips and tricks you need to be confident in your lead generation attempts, so get ready to learn all you can. Make sure your landing page is ready for visitors before you generate a lot of promising leads. Your landing page needs to contain all relevant information and options to buy or download. If your landing page is constructed well, you will have a much greater chance of converting your leads into sales. Try direct mail as a lead generation tactic. Many people think that direct mail has gone the way of the dinosaur, but it's not true. In fact, it may be very powerful for your market as a lot of competitors shy away from it as a strategy. You may find a lot of business opportunity here. Go to networking events in your community. Lead generation isn't just about emails, ads, and social media. It's also about getting personal and direct communication. Hit as many networking events that you can, especially those related to your target audience. This is one of the most effective ways of generating leads. Keep the consumer buying cycle in mind as you attempt to generate more leads, because it can have a big impact on your results. Consumers usually look at an offer, research for information, then decide whether or not to purchase. When your offer is targeted for this cycle, you will impact how easily they decide to buy from you. It was important for you to watch this video, but you can't just stop there. You have to keep watching videos like this one to learn all you can on the topic. The more you know, the less which will come up and baffle you again, so move on to the next video today. Student loan.